I read Tintin books as a 7 or 8-year-old and, you know, fell in love with this incredible world of mystery.
There is something that is very timeless about him. He is the original comic book character.
I'd grown up with the books and I knew it. I mean, I hadn't read them for a long time, obviously.
Tintin was someone that I aspired to be.
It's just that thrill of adventure. It's just the fact that this guy, you know, has all the youthful enthusiasm of a child, of a 16-year-old kid, but the ambition and drive and danger level of 007.
You're about to walk into a whole mess of danger.
Something happened on this ship.
I discovered it when I was reading a review that compared Raiders of the Lost Ark with Tintin.
And Steven said, I don't even know what Tintin is.
And found out that it was this great, you know, series of adventure volumes written by Hergé.
Hergé actually said to Steven on the phone, if I were to ever let this be a movie, I would love you to direct it.
I wanted to get it right. This book was too beloved to get this wrong.
With both Peter and Stephen, they wanted to be as loyal to Hergé as possible.
We didn't want to update him. We didn't want to shift him out of Belgium. We didn't want to change his trousers.
I just thought, wow, that's a great idea. And also, I just thought this is a really perfect use of performance capture technology.
Fate made both of us wait for the technology that enabled Tintin to be made in a hybrid medium between live-action filming and pure animation. This motion performance capture technology that made Avatar such a monumental global hit.
We wanted to be able to pause the movie at any point and take that frame from the film and drop it back into the comic.
Help. Thanks, I'm Tintin, by the way.
Haddock! Archibald Haddock. Captain Haddock is a merchant seaman who is sort of down on his heels.
What have you done?
I let a wee fire!
In a boat! Well, this is a fine mess.
And yet, at the core of it is actually an innocent. He's not got a bad bone in his body.
They almost need each other in a way.
This may sound crazy, but I've got a plan. Excellent.
And really, it's a sort of parental relationship in reverse, in that Tintin is almost father's Captain Haddock.
Did you hit anything?
Oh dear.
We had one special difference in what you do when you cast a live-action film. We didn't have to worry about is what they actually look like. I mean, Simon Pegg and McFrost don't look like the Thompsons, for instance, but yet they're perfect.
What are you?
Oh, well, I'm already downstairs. Do try to keep up.
What secrets do you hold?
Tintin has a canine friend called Snowy, who I actually think is the smartest character in the whole Tintin universe.
That model ship conceals a clue to one of the greatest treasures in all history. Good boy, Snowy.
It's epic. I mean, it's Steven Spielberg. You know, it's Steven Spielberg and Peter Jackson.
Silent Tintin!
We can't turn back. Not now.